Welcome everybody to final demo day for batches 1497 and 1400. It's great to see you all here today. If you don't know me, my name's Esh, and it's my pleasure to be hosting this demo day today. Thanks everyone for joining, students, teachers, staff, friends and family. It's great to have you all here. I'm sure you're excited to see what our students have done and how far they've come over months of hard work, and hard work it was. For 1497, you guys endured 10 weeks of grueling coding. 1400, you guys have been sustaining over 6 months or so, which is longer than I've been in this position. So huge congratulations on all of that. It's a lot of hard work. We're all super keen to see what you all have done up for us, but before that, I'll just do a quick acknowledgement. So we acknowledge the traditional owners of country throughout Australia and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging. And I'd also just like to quickly give a bit of context to our viewers who might not be so familiar with what our students just went through. So for that, I'll hand over to Anais, our Community and Events Manager.
Hello, everyone. Well, first of all, I wanted to ask for a huge round of applause for Ash, who is his first time directing Demo Day. So, yeah, please help me welcoming him. Thanks. So, yeah, I'm going to start giving you a bit of context for the Wagon. So, obviously, first, I know that a lot of people can be new here and they ask you what is a bootcamp. So that's why I have this beautiful slide here for you. So basically a bootcamp is an intensive course to learn new skills in a short amount of time. So this is what our students have done today. And so yeah, we're very excited to see what the progress has been in this past few months. Well, and Wagon is a global leader in immersive tech training since 2013. As you can see here, we have like pretty good numbers, I would say, more than 20K graduates worldwide, and we have really good reviews. As I always say, if you're very particular about checking Melbourne campus reviews, please check on Google. And also, we're present in many countries around the world. This is our global footprint, as we're illustrating it here. And I'm going to go very quickly, just explain what bootcamps do we have. So we have 3 main ones, which is web development, data science, and data analytics. Today you're going to actually experience web dev. So you're going to see the final projects of that course, which is basically all these students are trying to get a start on a tech career as a software developer, and all in order to build applications from database to user interface. And well, we also have data science and data analytics. Data science it will teach you to learn the skills to join a data team, but building your own AI products from scratch. This includes machine learning. And we also have data analytics on the other hand, which is you also can join a data team, but different from data science. You don't learn machine learning here. You learn more to put your data into dashboards to make better business decisions. So these are our next bootcamp dates. This is just a quick overview, but you can also check our website for more of a detailed view on our next coming courses. And well, basically, if you have any questions, please reach out to Paul. He's our admissions manager. And yeah, he will help you out if you have any questions about career advice, or if you're not sure which course to take. You can also check our website. And thank you, that's it for me. I'm gonna hand it over to Ash, but thank you so much.
So without further ado, let's see what our students have built for us. But before I dive in, I just want to quickly mention, keep in mind that these projects that you're about to see have been built in only 14 syllabus days, which is a very impressive thing to do. So I'm sure that'll make them even more impressive than they already are. So for our first project, as a business owner, one of the priorities, as we all know, is getting good reviews on a consistent basis. This can make or break a business, but it can be hard to do since customers don't really voluntarily leave reviews unless they're incentivized, and that can be really resource and time consuming for the businesses. So to address this, I will now hand you over to the team behind Review Me. Please give them a big welcome.
G'day, Yong. How's the business grind treating you?
Hey Josh, as you know, mate, trying to keep the ship afloat and all bitches. You're not getting enough customers through the door. I think it might be because of our negative reviews online. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's too bad. Well, I've got something that'll put a spring in your step. Feast your eyes on this review app I stumbled on. It's got basically an API that connects our Google reviews and our Yelp reviews. So I just added our ID and signed up. It monitors all of your reviews. You can see trends, and you can even respond to reviews.
No way. Does it grant wishes too? Because I could use a few more customers.
Not exactly, but it's pretty close. Look here, it not only tracks your Google and Yelp reviews, but it also cooks up email campaigns. You can select your template and submit the campaign, and an email goes off to the customer.
Really? That sounds amazing. Can I help you make sense of all these numbers too?
Absolutely. Check out these analytics. We can see all of our Google reviews over time. Looks like we only have one there. And our Yelp reviews. So it looks like that's increasing. It also shows the distribution of the reviews and the total counts. So yeah, I can see that 1-star review you were talking about there, Young.
Oh, that's awesome.
And here's a real kicker. This section displays all of our reviews. Look at this.
Oh, it shows everything here. The good, the bad, and the ugly, huh?
Exactly. But watch this. You can click on any review and click on generate response, and ChatGPT will create a sample response for us that we can send to the customer.
What sorcery is this? API generate response. That's actually good.
Right? It's like having a personal PR consultant at your fingertips. Saves heaps of time and makes sure we respond thoughtfully. Here's
It's
another one.
brilliant. Yep, it's brilliant. No more staring at the screen wondering how to apply the trick reviews.
Precisely. It's all about turning those negative reviews into positives. And with this app, we can manage our online reputation proactively.
Mate, this is a game changer. Imagine the edge we'd have over the competition.
That's the spirit, Young. And let's conquer the business world one review at a time. Thanks, guys. That's it from us.
It's fair to say they set the bar pretty high by including AI into their project, which I think we're going to see more and more of as it becomes more and more accessible and popular. But no, great work, guys. Thank you very much. All right. Next up. So a lot of us are feeling the pinch these days with rising living costs, and our weekly grocery shop is getting more and more expensive. And that makes finding deals and cheap prices all the more valuable. But sometimes we just don't have the tools to scour all the different places and find what's best for us. It would be great if there was one platform that we could turn to for this. And so please give a big welcome to the team behind the project, Shop Savvy.
Let's do it. What's your plan for the weekend?
Hey Nikki, I invited some people to come around for my dog's birthday party.
Wow, that sounds like so much fun.
Yeah, I still have to do some preparations though. Still have to buy some chips and chocolate and some snacks. I went to the grocery store last week and chips were $6 each. They used to be only $3.
I know, it's crazy, right? Especially the rice on essential are much tougher.
Yeah, it's just getting harder and harder to stick to a budget. Everything goes up, but our wages stay the same. I wish we could just save money while we were shopping easier.
Actually, have you started using ShopSavvy yet?
I've never heard of it. What is it?
It provides a price comparison on groceries from different stores, then help you to keep track on how much you're being saved.
Sounds pretty cool. Do you mind showing me it real quick?
Sure thing. Yeah, I've been using that for a while now. Yeah, let me show you here.
So does it show you the shops that we can go to, or is it just for one store only?
Yeah, there are a few different stores at the moment. You can see it here. Then surely the website gonna add more stores in the future.
That's pretty nice. Shows you the stores where you can go so you don't get lost while you're trying to do your shopping.
Yeah, it also show you on the dashboard what store your grocery are in.
And where do you see how much you've been saving?
Yeah, you can see it here, the latest saving monthly, yearly with the total. And underneath that, there are the items, how much you've been saved each item.
Nice. And where do I go to start adding chips and stuff for my groceries this week?
Yeah, you can go to the product tab here, then type in what do you wanna buy for your dog's birthday.
We'll probably just get some chips and tea, I guess.
Yeah, okay, so chips and do search, then you can sorting by the price. Right, yeah, which way you wanna go?
Can we just add some salt-and-vinegar chips? Probably just get 2 of them.
Yeah. What else you wanna have?
Can we find some tea?
Yeah, red tea, green tea.
Green tea. Normally tastes better.
Yeah. How many friends you being invited this weekend?
Probably only 2 or 3 should be coming, so probably don't need the chocolate, because I don't think my dog will like that, but...
Yeah, let's delete it. You can yeah, just click the red bin here, then it's gonna be removed from the grocery list. Yeah, looking good. Are we done with the grocery list?
Yeah, that should be enough.
Okay, so yeah, and then we can generate the shopping list.
And this takes us to all the stores we need to go to?
Correct. So those are the stores, and with the items, then you can also print out the list. Then I'll make your life easier when you have the list along with the shopping.
And will it show me how much I've saved on this trip?
Yeah, let's go back to the dashboard again. Then you can see that's we just been saved. And if you change your mind, then you can go to the shopping list tab over there. Then will takes you back to the product search. Yeah, can go from there.
Awesome. I'll make an account on my way home, and then I'll be able to buy some cheap groceries.
It's exciting. Yeah, say happy birthday to your dog. See you next week.
All right. Let's roll straight into the next one. So for this next project, I think we'll all know exactly what I'm talking about. We've all been in a situation where you all want to go out with your friends, hit up someplace, but nobody really knows where, and you just end up in this cycle where no one can really decide where to go. And sometimes you just end up telling one person to look, they'll find a place, and then when they suggest it, it's just shot down with complaints from everyone. But now it seems like we have an app to tackle just that. So please welcome the team behind Bar Buddy.
Oh man, it's been a hectic 6 months, but we're finally at the end of our Wagon journey. So I was thinking, what better way to celebrate than with a couple frosty, ice-cold beers and maybe a cheeky palm to top it all off around here in Richmond tonight. Are you guys in?
Yeah, sounds good to me. Where do you want to go? I reckon we should go to the precinct. That place is top notch.
They play great music and it's a great crowd, but I reckon we should go somewhere else with a bit more pizzazz, you know?
Yeah, I would agree with that. It's just I'm quite indecisive.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, same here. Although, I did hear about this new app that helps indecisive people like us find the perfect bar, depending on what we're feeling like. It's called Bar Buddy. I can create a group, we can vote on bars in our local area and find the perfect bar for us.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, that sounds great. I just got to go home and feed my cat first, but then, we'll come out later. Can you get things started?
Yeah, for sure. You'll receive an email invite shortly. I'll see you guys soon.
Sounds good.
Sounds good, man.
So first of all, I'm going to hit the Get Started button. We're going to call the group the Wagons. We're going out today, the 23rd of March 2024 at 7 p.m. AEST. We're going to create the group. Next, I'm just going to add the group members. So I'm going to add Rowan. And then, once I've added Rowan, I'm going to add Erina. Just give me 1 sec. Yep. I'll add Erina. There we go. Hit next. Now we're going to go out in Richmond because that's where we are right now. We're feeling a pub and maybe with some food, cheeky Palmer kind of thing. Nice. Now let's check what we've got. Cool. So here's the list of bars. Grand Hotel looks kind of mid. No thank you. No thank you. Bridge Hotel, no thank you. Concrete Boots Bar, this place looks kind of cool. A lot of my friends tell me I should have a glass of concrete to harden up, so this could be a cool place to check out. Let's suss that one, that sounds cool. Spread Eagle Hotel, that's a very interesting name. That just sounds like my kind of place, so I reckon I'll give that a gander and we'll go there. No thanks. Harajuku's, that sounds cool. That's a stupid hat, so no thanks. No thanks. No thanks. Mountain Goat's classic, sure. Nah. Royston's also classic, nice. Cool. So I've got my votes in. So I'll wait for the other guys to get their votes in and we'll see where we end up tonight. And I'll just stop sharing my screen so they can actually present.
Yeah, it looks like I got a message from Ayrton that I should start voting on this app, Bar Buddy. So I am just gonna log in, seeing as I have an account already. All right. Log into there. All right, and I'm gonna click the dashboard. And looks like Les Wagons is the one that he wants me to vote for. So I'm gonna click into that. And yeah, it must be that one. It's pending vote from Rowan and I, so I'm just gonna go ahead and vote now. So the Grand Hotel, bit of wedding vibes, not here for weddings. I'm just gonna vote no on that. Atlas, I think Rowan, you mentioned this place before, has a good wine list and whatnot, and it's located on Church Street. Yeah, sounds like a good spot. I'll give that a try. Can't tell which shop this photo entails, the Bridge Hotel. I'm just gonna flip through it quickly. Not gonna say no to that. No to this one too. Spread Eagle Hotel. It's a bit naughty. Let's go for that one. The Palm Royale. Yeah, a bit of Southside vibes. No. Harajuku. Don't like the name. Should be Harajuku. All right. Bar Exuberant. Don't like the hat either.
Stupid hat, yeah.
So stupid. Two Hands, no to that. Keiko, no to that one too. Mountain Goat Brewery. Seems like a casual spot to have fun with friends. I'll go for that one. Bathurembo, nope. And probably not to that one too. This seems like a really cool place. I'll definitely vote for that one. And no to that one. All right, my vote's in. It's Rowan's turn.
All right, I've gone home, I've fed my cat, I've put on my R.M. Williams, I'm ready for a big old night in Richmond. And it looks like I've got an email here saying I've been invited to the group, so let's have a look here. Suss out my dashboard, and let's Wagons, that has to be Ayrton's group. And let's vote now. All right, Grand Hotel looks pretty good. Not a big fan of wine. Bridge Hotel, you can't go there, that's just trash. Concrete Boots Bar is pretty good. Spread Eagle, that looks all right.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Ayrton?
Hell yeah.
Where's the map? Yeah, that looks all right. Right, let's vote through that. Oh, let's just plow through these. That's a good hat. The Royston, always good. Great Palmer. Mo Fox is a cute little bar. Sweet, all our votes are in. The winning bar's been announced. What will it be?
Let's see. The
Spread Eagle. Yeah. Go smash some beer.
I reckon more people would wear these if it said less Wagon on here, so I'm taking that, dude. All right, awesome. So for this next project group, so sometimes when you're walking around through the food courts around like closing time, you'll see those cheap takeaway boxes being sold at the shops as everyone's trying to like sell off all the leftover food at the end of the day. And actually this is, many eateries do this because there's a lot of leftover food, particularly with like bakeries and things like that. And I reckon it would be awesome if there was some way of knowing when shops have these excess products and they're putting them on sale and where I can find them. So for that, I present to you this next group who have done just that. So please welcome our next project team, YY Waste.
Okay. Hi, my name is Give. I'm a chef working at a cafe called 86 Cafe. Today was a tough day for me. It was so quiet, and I didn't really sell any sandwiches that I made. But luckily, my friend told me about this app where I can sell all my leftover sandwiches. It's called YY Waste. Anyway, I've just spent a few minutes setting up this morning. Let's see how it works. Okay, as we can see, I have a few sandwiches to sell by the end of tonight. I think I'm gonna post all of them. All right. Now let's check one last time before I post the menu. Oh, I see. I have a lot of chicken avocado wraps left, and I want to sell them all because I don't want to see them ending up in my rubbish bin. So I'm gonna choose the chicken wrap as my bestseller. Oh, and I need to choose the collection time as well. Okay, as we close at 8, I'll be here cleaning the kitchen while they're coming to pick up their order. So I'll choose the time between 8 to 9. That looks good. All right, everything looks fine now. Okay, I'm gonna post this. Wow, look at that. I can see my food on the top and I can even slide my menu. This app is so cool. Let's hope all my sandwiches will be sold out before I finish my work. Actually, I have a feeling that some customers are coming.
What a day, Devi.
Oh my gosh, I knew the Wagon course was going to be so hard, but seriously, Ruby on Rails, it's like draining my head in. I'm so tired.
I know I don't even have any energy left right now. I'm so tired, drained, and exhausted.
Yeah, I really don't feel like cooking something for dinner tonight. Should we grab something on the way home?
Yeah, something fancy maybe.
Yeah, sounds good. Actually, didn't you use an app last time that kind of posts all this really good quality food for a really good price? What was that app called?
Oh, that YY West app. Let me get it out. Hold on. Ta-da, it's there.
Hey, look, your name's on that app. That's pretty good touch.
Yep, they are welcoming me as a customer. So look at that, my favorite restaurants over there. Wow, what else can I have? Oh, Oh, they have all the list of available restaurants. See?
Actually, I don't want to walk too far. Can we grab something on the way to the station?
Okay, let's view map what we have nearby. I can see some cafe around Flinders. Yep, that's near the station. Let's see what is that. Oh yeah, that looks good. And it's in Flinders Lane, so it's okay. Look at that. Yep, too many varieties.
Yeah, what's the review like?
Let's see. Oh, review from Gordon Ramsay and Uncle Roger. Let's trust this one. Yep, we are getting from here. Oh, look at that pickup time. 8 to 9. Oh, that's nice. Let's scroll. I think I'm gonna go with the bestseller one. So let's add that. What about you?
I might go for the vegetarian wrap. That looks really good, actually.
Look at that picture.
Actually, should we get something for Paul? That guy's always hungry. He's eating 24/7.
We should get something for Paul as well. What?
Got that Cuban sandwich. He's always into mustard and pickles.
Yep, that picture is so good. Let's add that one. Maybe we should add 5 of them because you know he's a foodie. Yeah. Uh-oh, where is the limit? There's no more.
He can have that as his entree before his dinner.
Yeah, he have to make something for himself. Do you have anything to add? No, I'm pretty good. Let's proceed to check out then. Look at that, $41.50 for that much. That's pretty good. Let's pay in cash. I will log out from here. Nice. Oh.
They're sponsored by Wagon and Cuddle Dogs.
Yeah.
Must be a really good app.
This app is great. Thank you.
All right, so for our last but not least project, car insurance. So as soon as we hear those words, we're overcome with a feeling like it's something that we spend thousands of dollars on and somehow feel like we're getting the short end of the stick. It seems like an industry where we, the customer, are always on the losing side, and it's the safe drivers that lose out the most. Well, it'd be great if there was someone or something looking out for the customers whilst also benefiting the insurance provider. And so without further ado, please welcome the next project group, TripQuest.
Before we get started, I would like to thank the team, Meu, Victor, and Emma, who unfortunately is not here today. So, Victor, are you excited about the trip to go see Emma in Sydney? You seem down.
Oh, look, man, I'm really excited to go see Emma, but I've been feeling a little pitched because I just got my car insurance renewal, and it's so expensive. I'm not sure I can really afford the trip right now.
I know exactly what you mean, but I've been using a new app to save money, which is really cool.
Oh, really? I'm a little curious. Tell me about it.
It's an application launched by 4 Australian guys. They work with the Australian state government to categorize some of the higher risk areas on Australia's roads. If you drive safely through them on your journey, you collect points. When you have enough points, you get to level up and save on your insurance. I've been collecting points on TripQuest for 3 months. I really want to get to level 4. Then I'll be saving 8% of my car insurance. I think that once you get to level 5, the rewards get really appealing.
Cool, very interesting. Is it actually free?
It's completely free. And on top of that, you can see your rewards live on the app. Do you want to see?
Hell yeah. Does everybody here want to see it? Awesome.
Just let me log in and I'll show you.
Very secret password here.
Yeah, exactly. So, these are some of the reward zones we can drive through. I think they are areas where the accidental rate is higher. So TripQuest rewards us when we drive safely. Blue are low medium risk for about 50 to 200 points. Orange are higher points because they are higher risk.
So what's the best way to actually drive safely in those areas?
We just need to respect the speed limit and all the road signs. It's as simple as that, and we will get rewarded. How cool. Then for these higher risk areas, it will monitor how fast we brake and accelerate.
Okay, so if we drive well through those dodgy bits on the route and we collect points, I'm gonna get then savings on my insurance. Am I getting this right?
Exactly. When you join, you are linked to a specific insurer, and based on your level, you will be offered a discount for your insurance.
That's actually kind of insane. Beyond offering rewards and the opportunity to save, you're actually helping the probability of car accidents to decrease. That's really cool.
Yes, exactly. It makes driving safe and fun.
This app is just making me feel good. I think I have the motivation now to go to Sydney with you. Plot twist, we're going to Sydney. Driving.
So here is your turn to drive. I'll tell you more about TripQuest.
Cool.
So right now I'm a level 3. And look, you can see Paul, my mate, is in level 4. So I really want to get to level 4. Some people get really competitive with their points like me. And as you know, I've got my two cars, one for work and one for long road trips. So I can actually separate them on the app and easily track my points for each car.
Can I reuse the same route and collect the same points again and again?
Yeah, I use it for my commute to work, and it saves my route so I can check the reward zone really easily. Look at my usage here on the graph. In February, I collected a lot of points by doing road trips to Great Ocean Road. The points there are really massive. Actually, when we get to Sydney to see Emma, I'll show you how we saved on this trip.
We had a blast at Sydney. We took pictures, the selfies. It was awesome.
So, okay, I will jump into my trips page, where I can see all the trips I've done so far, and I will add our trip. So our starting place is Richmond, Melbourne, and our destination Sydney, Emma's home. We'll select our car, Toyota SUV, and look at there. There is 450 points here in Wollongong. So why not? Let's drive through this reward zone, Price Highway. So we just need to select this reward zone, and TripQuest will calculate the points. And the routes is changed. Now, let's save our trip. Sydney or Emma's house, create your trip. I know that moving forward, our position will be tracked automatically with a mobile application. And wow, we went up a level.
Wow, that's it, man. I'm definitely in. I'm definitely going to download TripQuest when I get home. Hey, and don't forget to send me those awesome pics that we just took during our road trip.
Of course, but you can add me as a friend and see my post about the trip. It's all in there. And we can plan more trips too. I think I will just post the picture on TripQuest right now. While I will post some cool picture in our social page. Hey guys, me and the team in Sydney. You can see on the right side that we passed Paul, and now we have 4,300 points. So let's add also a photo in our, and let's choose this one.
Paul's a loser.
Paul's a loser. And here we are. Here the post of us.
Cool. What's the logo about? I didn't really get it the first time.
It's a crossroad ride. Is it cool, right?
Yeah, awesome. I'm definitely setting up my account right now, as everyone here should. Thank you.
Thanks for that, guys. That was definitely a case of last but not least, because I think that looked incredible. And what a way to wrap it up, because that concludes all the projects we have for batch 1400 and 1497. So another huge round of applause. It was incredible work from everyone. Awesome to see how far you guys have come, and now that you're able to build such complex things when just a short while ago you wouldn't have even known when to start. So it was really good to see. They all look like fully fledged apps that we'd be using with very creative designs and ideas. So incredible work, and congratulations once again. Now, I'm sure you're probably all keen to be declared officially graduated, but before I do that, I just want to say a huge thank you firstly to you guys as the students for all the hard work you put in over your course. It was grueling, no doubt. You've all come from different backgrounds and different walks of life, but you were all able to come together and produce these incredible projects that we saw today as the hand dryer goes off. And the second big thank you is to the teaching team. There was a number of different teachers throughout your courses, both spread across both the courses as well. And without you guys, the experience for the students just wouldn't have been anything what it was. And we wouldn't have been able to see such high quality projects today. So big thank you to all of the teachers. And that's it. WEM Development Batches 1400 and 1497, you can now officially consider yourselves graduated. I hope you keep learning and striving for everything that you want to do. Really lean on the resources that you have here, because you have an incredible community that you built up. Not just the people in your batch, but all of the staff, all of the alumni, all of the teachers are always there available for you to lean on. So. And of course, you always have ongoing career and outcome support from the Melbourne team here as well. And I'll just take this opportunity to quickly remind you of the session with Nicola that's happening next Tuesday, which will be really invaluable in terms of next steps after you've graduated. So I highly encourage everyone to attend that. And so that's it. Congratulations once again. After this, we'll have food and drinks. So feel free to stay around. Socialize, mingle, and then we'll wrap it up there. Thank you very much.